Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Tekla Structural Designer tutorial series, and in our previous video we have completed our design section, but we have seen that some beam and column are failing after designing. So in this lecture I am going to show that how we'll pass that. Okay, so in this lecture I am going to show that how we'll pass our beam failure in Tekla Structural Designer. So let's start, and if you're new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, I will open our previous model. This is our previous model, and if you're new here, you can watch our previous video that already I have uploaded. So first of all, we'll go for design here, and after coming here, we'll just go here setting. Okay, I will we'll set for our design setting. Just click here. After that, first of all, here what we want to design, actually what we want to design, then we'll just click here reinforcement. Okay, then here plain bar bond quality modifier here, and deform bar bond quality modifier. If I just little bit increase that, then here for beam. Okay, so beam reinforcement design. Okay, beam reinforcement design. So general for country, from here we have to select the country code. Okay, so I'm going to design for US. Then the longitudinal bar. Okay, for beam, the minimum bar size, here you have to select the minimum bar size. What is your reinforcement? 60 grade, bar type 60 deformed, and size, what is the minimum bar size? It will be 4. Okay, I'll give her 4, and maximum bar size I'll give her 5. Okay, minimum 4 and maximum 5. Then and the minimum side bar size, it will be minimum side bar size, it will be 5. Okay, then also now there's the longitudinal bar. So after that, here the minimum top is still top is still clear spacing. What is the top is still clear spacing? What will be? Suppose it will be 2, and the minimum bottom is still clear spacing, it's also 2. Then maximum tension is still spacing, maximum 8 inch, and maximum compression is still 8 inch. The use single bar when beam width, use single bar when beam width is less than 6. Okay, where when beam width is less than 6. Okay, take it default because we are not using 6 inch. Is still overstand factor 1.25. Then short span maximum length, short span maximum length, here you can give it any value. After that, detailing setting, you can select your detailing setting. Then as the top bar, for top bar, now from here for top bar you can select according to your requirement that how we'll use that. Okay, so if we select that, they have some standard format. Here is the format, and also they have a format, and also they have a format. So I think the first one is better to understand our work procedure. And for bottom reinforcement, how we'll use that, the bottom standard, this is another standard, and also if we select that, so this is, so I will select that one. Okay, for default pattern, this also. Then stirrup setting, for stirrup setting, here is the stirrup value, region S1, what will be 25% of total length, 50%. Okay, done. Stirrup type closed. Stirrup type, if we press open, it will be open. I will click here closed. Okay, then for cantilever it will be same. Then the minimum burst is 3 or maximum burst is it will be 4. Okay, then maximum spacing minimum spacing 4 inch and maximum spacing 12 inch. You can change it according to requirement. Spacing increment 1 inch and maximum spacing strap leg spacing across beam it's 12 inch. Then general pattern. Okay, so after general pattern you can also change that. I'm not going to do anything here, so I will press OK. So after that I'm going to design here, so I'll click here, design statistic, so I'll design that and check that what happened. And already in previous video I have full discussed about that how to design that and how will get the data, and you can watch that from our previous video. And if you also new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get every update every first. It's taking time because I am screening, that's why. It's running design. Actually in civil engineering you need to know about different types of software to be a structural engineer. Now see that, now just see here, our some member are passing, some member are failing. Here from here we are seeing that some member are passing and some member are failing. Here if we see here, if we just click here, the reinforcement here also. Okay, then size from here size, they have 3 types of size. And okay, I will change that later. So after that press escape. Now here is our model and we are seeing that they have many beam that are failing. So I will just go here, review, and from here I will just go here, design data, and from here tabular from. So for column we are seeing that almost 50% of column are failing. So we'll show about column failure in another video. So in this video I'm going to show you about beam. So from here you have to select beam and from here select beam. So from here we are seeing that the warning, if we open that one, these types of beam are opening. Okay, these types of beam are opening but it's showing warning, but some beam are totally failed. So to reduce that, at first I will close that, and after that just I will select that beam and double click, and after that as that beam are failing, so I will change its depth from here size and here size for every span 1 2 3 4 5. So I will just change its size 10 to 25, that's also 10 to 21, that's also 10 to 21, then 10 to 21, and also for that 10 to 21, and just we'll see what happened. Then escape. Now see that and after that we'll again go here, analyze, design, and we'll just click here, design concrete statistic. And we'll see what happened. We have to open for some time. It's this procedure work. Then we'll select wall beam and we'll just change its shape. Okay, and just one thing, remember that when you will work here, just see that now the beam are okay. Okay, so this beam are okay now, clear. So just see here that beam are okay. So I will just increase that beam depth. Okay, and I will just increase that beam depth, and after that we will just again redesign. So as we have seen that our some member are being failed, so we'll change that property. Now how we'll select that property? Just to select property, go here member, then press here concrete beam. Actually they have a good benefit in Tekla Structural Designer that you can change, when you will give the member data in different form, it will make group. So just see here they have some beam which section is 10 inch into 18 inch. Okay, 10 inch into 18 inch. So if we select that, select in visible view, just see that here is our that member that have been selected. Now from here we'll go and we'll just change its properties. Okay, so now its properties have been changed, and if you just see here, now they have only one types of beam here available. So after that we'll go again for design. Okay, we'll just save it. After save, we'll go for again design. So click here, design concrete statistic, and after concrete statistic design we'll again check that is it okay or not. It's running analysis. Okay, after analyzing and design we'll see that it's okay or not. It's taking huge time. Okay, it's done, and if I press escape, just see here in that side all beam are okay. So if I go in that side here, that beam are not okay till that direction. So if you also see that some beam are not okay, so again I will go here, and from here I will just select in visible view. So we have selected wall beams, and from here I will just again increase its size. Sorry, so from here is a section, and from here I will just change its size, and from here I'll create new, and from here I'll give it 12 inch in 21 inch. Okay, then press OK. After that again we'll go for design. After design we'll again come back. So our analysis have been completed. So if I see now, see that almost every beam have been passed. Okay, so they have one or not passed. So as it's not passing, now I'll go for I will increase our column size, and after that I will see that what happened. So from here just click on column, cast in situ. There have two types of column. So first of all select that types of column, and we'll go here, change it 20 inch into 20 inch. Then for that one select, I will go for 20 inch into 20 inch. Then our all column are 20 inch into 20 inch. So again I will go for design, and after design I will come back. They have also some elements that are failing. So if you take your mouse here, so after that again we'll go here and also will increase its check member and design member. So it's also designed, so I'll go here, select wall member, and I will increase its size, new, from here 24, then OK. It's changing its shape. So after that again I will go for design check, and after that I'll come. In this time the maximum column are also failing, so just it's making a big problem. Again we'll go here for column section, and we'll just change the column section. I'll use 20. Okay, 20 column for alls. Okay, and before design again I'll go to setting, and for column setting I'll go reinforcement. For reinforcement, minimum clear spacing to maximum clear spacing. Minimum clear spacing we can provide 1.5, sorry, 1.1. Okay, it's 2. Then multiple layer, and here the tie bar, minimum tie bar size 3 and maximum tie bar size 5. The minimum clear spacing 4, and maximum clear spacing will consider 6 inch, okay, or 7 inch for tie, and it's okay. The minimum bar size will be number 5. Then press OK. Then this is the reinforcement for general parameters. The nominal aggregate size 3/4 inch. Cover and spacing check parameters. The nominal aggregate size 3/4, it's okay. So if I click OK, and then if we go again for design, then see what happened. Video being lengthy, that's why I'm going to pause that. After design I'll come. This time see that many elements are showing us it's passing, and sometimes something it's failing. So for that, just we'll go here, review, then we'll go here. If we see that ratio, our passing ratio is more, and our here is our failing ratio. So I'll go for here, design data and tabular data. So from here we are seeing that many data, for column, I'll close that, it's failing. So first of all, as it's failing, I'll see its data from here, and here 2 are passing. So if I see here and status, that 2 are passing, okay, that 2 are passing. This is 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5 1. So here if we see that, so that's 2 1 are passing, okay, and the top one and the bottom 2 1 are failing. So how will pass that? So for that, it's showing that spacing. So if we change its size, if we give it, just see that it's passing now. Here it's passing, and for tie it's failing. Its tie spacing are here considered as 12 inch. For columns, so I will consider it's 6 inch. Just see that it's passing after considering 6 inch. And if we consider that one, it's also failing for clear spacing. So I will consider that. So that's that passing now. And for that one, again if I go ahead, this is okay, and for tie it's not okay. So we'll use tie as 6 inch. And for that one also, it's have been failed for ties. So I'll go here and change it as 6 inch, okay. Then click here, okay, and click here. Yes, it's showing the member size and grade has been designed. Apply the same change to wall member in the same design group. Yes. After that, just see the magic here. Now maximum, I mean in top, from top group, the maximum beam have been passed. Okay, it's have passed, the maximum on have passed. So now I will go in down section, I mean in another section, and I will go here result. So first of all I will see that it's failing. Actually it's failing for the cross sectional area, and from here if I decrease that, it's passing for 16 into 16, and for tie it's failing. I'll give it 6. It's passing. So this also 6, this, and for here it's failing here. I will change its size 16, so it's also passing. So I will change its size also again. And for ties it's also 16. So from here again I will give her 6" tie spacing, and for that one I will give her the 16. Then okay, then I will go here and also I'll consider that 16, and it's also failing its ratio, so I'll consider that it's also failing. 24 by 24, it's also failing. Before that I'll go here and I'll give here 6. Then I'll go here and select that one. For that the ratio are failing and everything are passing actually. So if I go for 16", it's not working also. Here top, middle, bottom. So for 18" into 18", just see that for that it's passing. So I will press here again OK, and then press yes. Now see here, just see here, our wall column have passed. So I will go here in 3D view and just see here our wall column have passed, right? Our wall column have passed. So in this way we can pass our column, and as our video are being very lengthy, so I don't like to make any lengthy video anymore, so I will just show you about that another video, I mean how we'll pass our column in next video. So till then, S12, stay connected till next video, and if you think that is helpful for you, then subscribe to our channel so that you can get the next update also, and like our video, and also share our video, leave a comment. Your on like and on comment, and also your subscribe inspire us for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.